In the last section of the course, we develop a basic web page using tables and inline style attribute. You might recall we styled table border, headings, and the background color. You may have noticed this process was quite insufficient. We repetitively had to keep placing the same style attribute over and over again for any document element that we want to apply style. For example, if we want to change the font color and font face text in 3 separate areas, we would need to change the font face and color attribute in each instance. This made the process insufficient in the code quite lengthy. Secondly, when we put the web page together, we put the contents in table using rows and columns. This is help to make the page look organized. But there really wasn't too much flexibility in the positioning of the content. We were more or less limited to left, center, or the right. So we were unable to stack multiple objects on the top of one another. For example, if we inserted an image into a table cell, we could not place any other object top of that image. Concept known as layering. In this section of the course, we are going to explore the world of CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheet. CSS helps to eliminate all these issues and makes the development process much more flexible, efficient, and browser friendly. Once you start developing sites using CSS, you will likely never use table-based website layouts again. This doesn't mean you will never use tables. Tables are still excellent way to layer tabular data, but you won't be using them for layout and styling your website in content. So, what exactly the CSS? Think of Cascading Style Sheet as a list of style rules that you can refer to at any time to format your text, images, tables, and just about any other objects on your web page. These style rules are entirely using defined, meaning you make them based on your needs. They are highly customizable and easy to use. Furthermore, you can link each page on your website to a single style sheet and update hundreds or even thousands of pages simultaneously. At this time, you might be wondering what a cascading style sheet look like. Well, we touched on it in the beginning of the last section. If you recall, we introduced the style tags and created a single style rule to define the web page text color. If you've forgotten, then don't worry. We will be working extensively with style sheets during this section.